But Kenna, I'm running late to school and I'm running late to work and I don't have time to do my hair. Girl, let me change your life really quick. I'll show you my very favorite messy buns that seriously only take 2 elastics that you can do in the car, depending on what kind of a mood you're in. If you're looking for a really like messy bun look, this is one of my all-time favorites. You're just going to wear on top of your head. Dirty hair is perfect for this. You're just gonna start out by putting your hair up on the top of your head like you would with a top ponytail. And you're gonna make a little half bun here at the top of your head. I love some good volume, so I'm gonna go through and pull out some of my hair to kind of create that more messy, luminous look. Take what's left over from your hair. You're gonna split it in half. Now, if you have shorter hair, you're gonna probably only be able to do one tie. But I twist like this, bring it to the front, okay? You're gonna tie a knot in the front, twist it, and then tie a knot again in the back. Then bring up these pieces, take elastic number 2 and secure over the top. Then floof them. I kind of like to take these pieces, kind of retuck them into the hair elastic. Here's the back, the side. If you're looking for a low bun that's like really not gonna take any time, you need one very stretchy hair elastic. Take your hair and you're going to pull the elastic off your wrist while kind of pulling out the ponytail. Put all of your fingers in here, grab under the ponytail, twist around like this, bring over the top, take the elastic off like this, and then if you have remaining hair, I just go ahead and I twist it and retuck back into that hair elastic. Then you go through and you pull. There is messy bun number 2. Now for the last one. This is one of my very favorites that I've been doing a lot recently. I do kind of a mid pony. Take your hair and split it horizontally. Bring up a section like this, a section like this. You're going to take another elastic and tie it, poof these out. I just take my top pieces and split these in half. Twist them, and then I kind of pull them to make sure that they have a lot of extra volume. Tuck them into the hair elastics, stick them through a couple of times. I just kind of go through, pull, and do lots of tucking. It might look different every time, but also just always so stunning. Anyways, I hope that helps, and follow along for more back to school hair tutorials, and I will help you learn how to do your hair. But Kenna, I'm running late to school and I'm running late to work and I don't have time to do my hair. Girl, let me change your life really quick. I'll show you my very favorite messy buns that seriously only take 2 elastics that you can do in the car, depending on what kind